Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can claim your presents in the Christmas Conveyor update in Plants vs. Brainrots. So for instance, you've reached level 1. As you can see, there's claims on the presents. This is my conveyor progress so far, but basically I'm just going to claim the first tier, and there's also another one here. Oh, okay, so this one, you will need to purchase the golden conveyor one. So how much is it? Okay, so it's 199 Robux to claim the golden conveyor belt if you'd like, I guess, more unique prizes? I don't know. But that is pretty much how you can claim items from the conveyor belt. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.